In this video, I'm going to show you how to record sound in MP3 using the built-in sound recorder and Audacity. Usually, when you record sound for voiceovers, you can use the built-in sound recording software, or you can download the Audacity software free online. First off, let's record sound using the sound recorder. It's really straightforward. Just open Sound Recorder and you will see something like this. Next, to record sounds, just click Start Recording, and as you can see, the software is recording your voice as you speak. After you've finished recording, simply click Stop Recording, and a window will appear prompting you to save your recording. Let's go ahead and save this, but first you can also select where you want to save this, and in this case, I've selected to save it on the desktop. And there you go, the recording is now successfully saved. The second recording software I'm going to show you is Audacity. You can find this online and download it for free. After you've downloaded and installed the software, open it, and you'll see something like this. This will be the main interface on which you can record or edit the sounds. On the top left portion of the screen, you can see 6 buttons, which are Pause, Play, Stop, Skip to Start, Skip to End, and Record. To start recording sounds using Audacity, simply click the Record button, and you'll see the software recording your voice. After you have finished recording, click Stop to stop the recording. To replay what you have recorded, click Play again. And to stop it, click Stop. After you're satisfied with everything, you can go ahead and save it. Click on File, and then Export, and then select MP3 as the file you want to save. At this point, you can also select where you want the file to be saved, and in this case, I selected Desktop. Click Save. Then a new window will appear, prompting you to insert the details of the sound clip you have created just now. The fields are artist name, track title, album title, track number, year, genre, and comments. You can fill these out if you want. After that, you can go ahead and click OK. So there you have it. That was how you record sounds in MP3.